I managed to rank 11 out of 26 keywords for a client's video, and one of them managed to get to the #1 spot, and that ranked out of 131,000 results. Client was happy. It really does work. Just put a bit of effort into it. Give it a shot.
Hello, I'm Andre from the YouTube channel Get Fit with Andre. My first test with the software exceeded my expectations. I ranked on the first position for weight loss exercise in Romanian Exerciții de slăbit. After 1 week, I saw that my video was going viral and it was actually ranking on everything that was related to weight loss. In this moment I have 34k views, but when you'll see the video probably there will be even more. The video that I just showed you has over 400,000 views, all thanks to VMB. And it brought me hundreds of customers. I'm telling you guys, VMB is all you need to rank on the first page in Google and YouTube.
Hello guys, I'm super excited because basically I just took their app and I was having a hard time ranking different types of videos that I use in my business on YouTube. And I just had the occasion to test out Video Blaster Pro, and guys, I am super pumped about this. I mean, I tried to upload like 10 videos yesterday and all of them ranked on the first page in like a couple of hours or so. So this is definitely something that you want to check out, you want to get your hands on. If you love free traffic, if you want to rank on YouTube, this is definitely the product you want to go for. So big shout out for the guys. You do not want to miss out on Video Blaster Pro. Thanks.
Hi everyone, this is for Video Marketing Blaster Pro. I bought it 4 or 5 days ago. Uploaded a video last night. Got top rankings for several keywords on YouTube and Google. So page 1 on Google for 3 keywords and same for YouTube. So highly recommend it. See you later.